Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share my personal journey of turning constant losses into consistent wins. Trust me, I've been through the struggle, and if you're feeling stuck, this could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. So, stick around, because what I'm about to share might just be the game changer you need. Let me set the stage for you. A few years ago, I started trading full of enthusiasm and high hopes. Like many of you, I had dreams of financial freedom, living life on my own terms, and making it big in the trading world. But the harsh reality hit me hard, loss after loss, frustration after frustration. It wasn't just about the money I was losing, it was the self-doubt that crept in. I kept asking myself, why is this so difficult? Am I even cut out for this? I found myself trapped in an endless cycle, overtrading out of impatience, revenge trading to recover losses, and tweaking my strategy constantly without truly understanding what I was doing. It was like throwing darts in the dark, hoping to hit the bullseye. Spoiler alert, I didn't. But here's the thing. I refused to quit. Somewhere deep inside, I knew I could figure this out. And that's where my transformation began. The turning point. What changed everything? I made a decision. If I was going to succeed, I had to change my approach entirely. It wasn't easy. But here are the 5 key steps that completely turned my trading around. Step 1. Journaling every trade. This was a game changer for me. I started documenting every single trade, no exceptions. I'd note the entry point, exit point, the reasons behind the trade, and most importantly, my emotions during the process. At first, it felt tedious, but soon patterns started to emerge. I realized I was often chasing trades out of FOMO, fear of missing out, or holding on to losing positions out of sheer stubbornness. Journaling wasn't just about keeping records, it was about self-discovery. I began to see myself not just as a trader, but as a person whose decisions were deeply influenced by emotion. Step 2. Building a solid trading plan. I learned that without a plan, I was setting myself up for failure. So, I crafted a comprehensive trading plan tailored to my goals and personality. This plan included my risk tolerance, the specific setups I'd trade, my profit and loss targets. The key was discipline, sticking to the plan no matter what. This wasn't easy at first, especially when I'd see opportunities outside my plan. But over time, discipline became my greatest ally. Step 3. Mastering risk management. If there's one thing that separates successful traders from the rest, it's risk management. Early on, I made the mistake of risking too much on single trades, hoping for big wins. That approach was a disaster. Now, I never risk more than 1 to 2% of my capital on any trade. This mindset shift wasn't just about protecting my account. It was about ensuring I could survive to trade another day. Step 4. Investing in education. Knowledge is power, and in trading, it's absolutely essential. I started consuming books, webinars, and courses from seasoned traders. But here's the catch. I didn't just copy their strategies. I used their insights to refine my own approach, tailoring it to what worked best for me. Remember, trading isn't a one-size-fits-all game. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's okay. Step 5. Embracing patience and consistency. This might be the hardest lesson I've learned. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long game. I stopped trying to hit home runs and shifted my focus to small, consistent gains. Over time, those small wins added up, and the losses became fewer and further between. Slowly but surely, the tide began to turn. Where I am today, fast forward to now, and I can confidently say I'm not just a better trader. I'm a more disciplined, focused, and resilient individual. Trading taught me that success isn't just about strategies or technical analysis. It's about mindset, perseverance, and the willingness to learn from failure. If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, know this. You're not alone. Every great trader has been where you are now. The key is to keep going, keep learning, and never stop refining your approach. If this video resonated with you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. Together, we can grow, learn, and succeed in this incredible journey.